In the vast stretches of time, one can picture an ancient community nestled in the cradle of the Near East, surrounded by challenges and opportunities. This community, known to us as Jericho, boasted an unprecedented feat around 1600 BC, the construction of massive stone walls. Up to 13 feet high and 5 feet thick, these walls were no mere fences for livestock or boundaries for private gardens, they were colossal structures that encircled the settlement. Consider, for a moment, the vision of people, possibly ancestors of ours, rallying together to move stones and earth, laboring under the scorching sun. These ancient residents of Jericho were not just erecting walls of stone but walls of shared purpose and security. It was a task demanding coordination, strength, and unity, qualities that resonate through the very essence of humanity's enduring spirit. The presence of these fortifications raises compelling questions about the people of Jericho. What threats loomed large enough to necessitate such fortifications? Predating most known city-states, the walls of Jericho suggest a backdrop of ancient conflicts or perhaps rivalries over burgeoning trade routes or fertile lands. Could marauding bands threaten this proto-city, or were these defenses a deterrent against the encroachment of potentially hostile neighbors? Moreover, the sheer scale of the task hints at a societal organization and a shared understanding of communal living and protection far more sophisticated than we may have assumed for that era. Rather than isolated families seeking refuge, it was a united front, a collaborative endeavor to safeguard not just individual homes but the community as a whole. The moat or ditch that accompanied the walls added another layer of complexity and defense, showcasing their ingenuity in creating a robust deterrent against invaders. It's a testament to human resilience and strategic thinking, honed long before the empires and armies that would follow, recorded in the history books. Jericho's ancient walls speak to us across millennia, whispering stories of survival, cooperation, and foresight. They remind us that even in antiquity, people understood the power of coming together in the face of adversity.